NASA is leading the way in sending people back to the moon. All that we do on the moon and everything that we will learn with that rocket and future rockets will prepare us for the next giant leap, sending humans to Mars.
The core stage of SLS is the core of Artemis, and it will always be that way.
You are the team that is trusted to carry American and our partners' heroes up into space, people like Reed and Jeremy.
I knew I'd see these roll out in the future, but I didn't know I'd be standing here watching one roll by me that I'd be sitting on. When you see a challenge, you stick to it, you persevere, you overcome it, and then because of that, you see stuff like that roll by.
The end goal of that core stage is to unite our fragmented world. What happened in these hangars is going to bring our world together as we explore the moon. And in this day and age, we need that on our planet Earth, and it's a beautiful place.